Oh, is this another flash flood warning? Let me put this back. Go up here.
Issued at 4:09 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Prince George County, Southwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, Northeastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
2 inches in 1 hour.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waverly, Denver, Del Marin, Carsley, Gwaltney Corner, Booth Fort, Newville, Ellis Fort, Runnymede, and Del Crossroads. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia: Prince George, Surrey, and Sussex.
Okay then.